No, no, no. Ree, onto the grass, Ree!
Been fun for a workout. Okay, how are we going to treat these various things?
Is modulating differential. So if you're worried about AAON, you're going to do the high dose steroids. I like 1 gram IV Medrol for 3 days.
Disowned their daughter on her wedding day, and now they're wanting to come back into Obi's lives because of her kids. And guys, I understand that.
Kurnog din na lang. Ikay, Dora. Бойся! Поехала!
TRANSITO.com. I don't know why fell for Dick Jim's publicity stunt once again, but after reviewing everything you know about the murder.
What?
Favorite lines in the episode, he goes, "If we don't listen to the overture, we won't recognize the musical themes when they come back later." I loved that time. At 7 minutes and 10 seconds, I want to give a shout out to our sideline musicians. So we talked with Ed about how everybody was singing live. The music was actually not performed live.
Subhanallah, Sanu. Nana Kafra.
Smell of that.